Alright, hey there. This is Eric, Eric's Garage, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of cleaning up of the tire stickers, and I'm also doing kind of like a review of them. I've had them around my car for like 6 months now, and I'll tell you, they're awesome. I've had curb rash, I've gone driving on the street, on the freeways, on long trips, on short trips, and also do some serious track time, and they've withstood the abuse that I've given them. And now what I'm doing is I'm taking and cleaning them up because I have a really cool car show to do this weekend. It's a Hooters car show. It's going to be all about cars though, right? Yeah. And I want to take my car and do a good job in showing it off and making it look cool. So I've taken their product, which is the Tire Sticker Clean product, and I want to show you the before and after. And I'll tell you what, if you like and you want to go with that tire sticker look on your car, tire stickers is the way to go. And if you don't like it, that's cool. Everybody has their own personal choice, but I'm a firm believer in tire stickers. Their adhesive works great. I've had the letters kind of peel off a little bit when I curbed it, and use their adhesive, and they stick right back on, and it's awesome. My car looks really sharp with it. I hope you enjoy. Bye. Well, not bye. Hope you enjoy. Okay, here's the after. There's the after. And there's the before. Look how nasty those buggers look. And this was the side, it was curbed. It was the driver's side. And actually a curb came up out of nowhere. It wasn't lit, it wasn't marked, nothing. You see the curb rash on my tire, on my wheel right there? And these tires, these stickers, lasted. They withstood that. They actually got bumped up against the curb. They're doing about 5 or 10 miles an hour. It wasn't a lot of speed, but regardless, they hung in there. And I used their cleaner. That stuff right there. It's called Tire Stickers Rubber Cleaner, and I use a white rag so I can see where I've cleaned or I haven't. That's the dirt. And that's the clean. And I'll tell you, man, tirestickers.com. If you want tire stickers on your car, I think it looks really, really sharp. Here's a little different look from it. That's it right there. If you like the tire stickers look on your car, tirestickers.com is the place to go. All right, sorry about that. Got some work to do. See ya.